In today's class, we are going to see how to remove a solid color background from an image. This is the second method as we saw in the previous video how to remove a background using Magic Wand tool. In this video, we are going to see two options like layer mask and an adjustment layer. So without further delay, let's start.
Open an image. If you see this image, it's not perfect solid background image. It has shadows and gradients. So this can also be removed using Magic Wand tool. Use Magic Wand tool and click. You can see there, after a click, only perfect solid colors been selected. The partially different colors are not selected. To select those, use Shift and click on the place where we need selection. Yeah, selection is done. Now, like before, let's use feather option and give less feather amount. After the selection, press delete. And to unselect the selection, use Ctrl+D. Press V in the keyboard for move tool and we can move the image and place it anywhere in the document. Like previous method, we are not going to use a normal layer. We are going to use a layer called adjustment layer. If you create the adjustment layer, the benefits are we will get a color palette and we will get a layer masking option. So the use of adjustment layer is we get a color palette. We can double click the option and change the color as we wish. In the first method, if we double click the layer, we will get only layer style. We can also change in method 1, but the process is big. So that's the advantage of creating a adjustment layer. And the second advantage is layer masking. Before that, drag and drop the layer below the image and we change the background. Okay, back to layer masking. Select the layer masking option and press B in the keyboard for brush tool. Using brush tool and black and white color, we are going to erase the background and reveal the background. Black color is to erase the texture or color and white color is for reveal. Have a look. This is how we use layer masking and remove the background. Now create a new layer and let's apply the texture image. Go to File, Place Embedded and place the image. Scale the image using Shift+Alt. Now drag the texture layer and place it below the adjustment layer. You can see there. Left side we have a texture and right side we have a solid color. It is been merged in a single document. This is all because of layer masking. We can see about layer masking more and clearly in the next video. We can also use the texture layer and create posters. Like using text tool with perfect content and perfect alignments, we can create a good poster. And this is all about removing the solid background in an image using Magic Wand tool.
Finally, we saw how to remove a solid color background from an image using Magic Wand tool, adjustment layer and layer mask option. I hope the video was useful. Thank you.